Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I wanted to demonstrate how you can use one Starlink for multiple locations. What you'll need is a Starlink kit, a server of some sort, like a spare, old computer. You build one yourself or just use Raspberry Pi. You'll need that to run your UISP software. That is what manages the ubiquity equipment needed for this demonstration. Now you just set up your Starlink, kit like you would, but you just throw it in bypass mode. And from bypass mode, it, connects all the way to here, to port 1, as you can see. And port 4 right there is all the way under, back here and right there. Now that right there is the access point that provides the internet service to different locations. In my UISP network, since I'm trying to build a private internet service provider business that'll be affordable, I have them marked as clients, but you can mark them as location A or B or whatever. So this receives the internet from that. So that right there is good for long distance, like 5, 10, 15 miles. It could do more, of course. And that is perfect for across the street, down the block, or maybe one street over. Now that right there connects, to that switch right there. It connects to port 1 on the switch. And I have a router plugged in. This is client B. I named it bitch test. But port 8 right there plugs into here. And that's literally how I've been watching my YouTube videos on my laptop there, was through this router over this extremely messy and unnecessarily complicated little setup. It's pretty much how you would connect multiple multiple buildings to one Starlink. I hope you find this helpful. This was actually inspired by a post on Facebook asking if you can connect multiple buildings with one Starlink. Like and subscribe for more. Until then, have a nice day.